Hello, friends, and welcome to the series finale of Return to Eden. This week, as you're hearing my voice, you know it is special, and as promised, it is special. Today, I just wanted to share in brief my testimony of when I stopped eating meat, and it actually was this weekend, Memorial Weekend. And I remember for that weekend, my household was at that time not a household that was light on me eating or not eating meat at all. This weekend, however, there was the most meat I have ever seen in that house ever, and I mean ever. And it just so happens that that was the weekend that I chose to stop eating meat, and everybody knew that I loved to eat. And with all that food, everyone was like, you have to eat. This is a lot of food. It's a lot of food. But I had made up my mind. This was going to be the week, and I would not be deterred. And so it happened. I resolved, and I went through. And this is the reason why every year in May, I want to dedicate it to just challenge persons to consider spending a week, a month, every Monday, and so forth without eating meat. And as I just said, it was a challenge for me, and I know it will be a challenge for you as well, because I'm pretty sure that when you finally decide to give up meat, some stumbling block will be in your way, as it was in mine. But the thing is, we have to persevere, we have to keep going, and we have to know that no matter what, it's going to be possible, it's going to be doable. As we close out our series this week, my friends, I want to implore you that you can do exactly like I did, or modify it. What I did was I did slowly. It wasn't like cold turkey. Seriously, it wasn't. So for a long time, I was giving like my chicken, hot dogs, and different things to other members of the family. Dinner time, put it on their plate. It was progressive. I did some research and what was going to be supplementing the meat and all of that. I had to, and it was gradual. There was a lot of prayer, of course, but my beloved, the truth is that it had to be done, because meat eating was never the original plan. And as God's people receive more light, we understand that we need to go back to the original blueprint, God's way of doing things. You see, meat eating and its permission was not God's original intent. It may have seemed that way because 6,000 years later, it's the norm. But I want to challenge you, those of you who are listening to this, to return to Eden, to make sure that going forward, at least some part of your life is meat-free, whether it's Mondays, whether it's a week, whether it's a month, and seek to adopt a plant-based diet. As always, in the description area are resources that are designed to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the series, and I trust and pray that as we go forward by God's grace, it will indeed be a healthy, happy, whole you. And as always, it's your health, your choice. See you next time.
There shall be showers of blessings. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. is now a refreshing. Come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Shall be showers of blessing, oh that today they might fall. Now as to God we're confessing, now as on Jesus we call. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.